So in this video I'm going to show you how to design a YouTube thumbnail. Now a thumbnail is just like a static image you see before you play the YouTube video. Anytime you enter into YouTube and you search for something online, maybe a tutorial or something like that, you must have observed that there is a static image always attached to it. Now if you don't have a custom design for your YouTube thumbnail, usually YouTube will generate from your video and then set it any part of the video as the thumbnail. So in this case, this is a design thumbnail. Obviously you can see once you hover on this and then you click on it, then you now see the real video behind it. In this case, this is like a thumbnail that is generated from the video. Can you see that this is from the video, but this is a design, this is also a design, this is also a design, this is generated from the video, and so on. Now coming to our own personal channel, you could see all the video here are designed like the way we want them to be. Now the advantage of this is that it's going to make your viewer more addictive to want to see what you intend to share with them, and then give them an idea of what you intend to share. So how can you do this? You can do this on Canva, and you want to go to Canva and then you want to search for YouTube thumbnail. And then you give it some time, let it load. As we all know that Canva is a place where you see a lot of templates, already made designs that you can just convert and adopt as yours. So that is why if you search for this, you see a lot of them here. Some of them are in pro version, some of them you have to pay for them, but you still have quite a number of them that are free that you could use for your design. Okay, for this design I want to just use this. In your case, you might need to look around, see which one best fit to the kind of content you've created, and then you could use that, and then you could make a kind of consistent use of that, so that next time you just edit and all of that. So without wasting time, let's use this guy here. So we're going to click on it. You could see that it's free, so let's use that. You're going to click on it and then you look at it and see what you can do. Now this is an image placed here, and this is another image placed here. You could see that like a kind of tiered paper, like a design like that. So, and this is a text. We have 3 sets of text here because they have different weight in terms of size, so it made 3. All right, so maybe we want to delete this guy here, and then instead of that we want to place, maybe we want to delete this guy and then we want to make this guy maybe black, right? And then we want to maybe bring in a YouTube logo, since we are creating the title of what we intend to create is relating to YouTube. Okay, so I already have a video, and then I intend to have a cover thumbnail for it. So I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to resize it. Now I'm going to search for, now I'm going to create something like maybe CC, because the content I intend to create this for is closed caption. So I'll bring in CC, closed caption, which is like a subtitle on YouTube. You might check my video on how to create subtitle. I have a video on that. So you just click on this and then you want to change the color. For the color to be the same throughout the page, we want to use this color because this color is the same for this logo. So I'm going to click on this logo. Okay, so another thing I want to do is to maybe type YouTube. So I'm going to copy and paste this guy, then I have something like YouTube. Now I want to resize, just manipulate it the way I want. YouTube CC. Now the other side here, I would like to do something. I want to change this to how to instead of when to. If you go to YouTube and see some video, you can see double C here, which is telling you that there is a caption to this video. Whenever the person is speaking, it also interprets, or not necessarily interpret, but also tell you the language in written form. Okay, so let's go back. So that is the meaning of CC. Now this color is not aligned, so we can make it this color, which is the same as this. So we're going to click on this guy, and then we're going to make this guy maybe black. Maybe we want to work with only black and white, black, white and red. So if it's not black, it's going to be red or white. So maybe this guy is going to be red, and then the last guy is going to be maybe black. Okay, so the next thing is you want to position them very well, properly where you want them to be. So now you are going to want to click something like a subscribe button to this. So because I might need to shift this one a little down, then you want to search for YouTube again. This time we want this subscribe button, so we are going to drag it in, and then we're going to resize it. Then we might need to put it here, since the dominant color is white, so we can't put it on white. Then we might need to shift this guy from here to here. It makes a lot of sense here. Now subscribe, this one is telling you that for your viewer to subscribe to your channel or something like that. Okay, so I think we are almost done. Every other thing is just like the way you want them to be. We can decide to give this text a kind of effect, a kind of maybe a shadow effect. You can't see the shadow because the shadow is black and the background is black. So let's go to effect again, shadow effect, and you can change the color maybe to white so that we can see it more clearly. Okay, so let's say this is what we intend to do. Of course, you can do better than this. This is just to give you an idea of how to do this. All right, so you might want to now save this, and then you download this. Again, you might need to just rename YouTube CC closed caption. You save it, and then let's demonstrate how you can use it quickly. So if you want to use this, you must have uploaded your video before you design that, or you're about to upload. So let me try to upload a sample video, a random video. For example, let's say this video, I have a short video here. Let's say this video we intend to do. You upload this, and then once the video is uploaded, you see thumbnail here, right? So once you are done, you're going to put in thumbnail, and then you're going to try to upload the one we just saved, which is this. Now anytime anybody sees your video, this is what they will see first, the thumbnail. And you can see this space auto generated. So if you don't have a thumbnail, you can choose from the list of the one that is automatically generated from YouTube. And this is how you put your YouTube thumbnail and set it up. Thank you very much. If you find this very helpful, you might want to subscribe to the channel for the next content. Thank you.